Hey everybody, welcome to the VIP Financial Education YouTube channel. My name is Matthew. I help you go further, faster financially, so make sure you're a subscriber. I had a free coaching session yesterday. You guys can schedule one yourselves. I'll put a link in the description. I offer one as a courtesy to each viewer here on the channel. As I was having a conversation with a coaching member yesterday, this is actually somebody that's not paying, that was just taking advantage of that free call. That individual didn't realize that their current triplex in New York was a contributing portion to their current net worth. Their property happens to be worth about $1.2 million, and they only owe about half of that amount. So as we were going through our discussion and I was asking about net worth, as they explained they use a spreadsheet to track their finances, and he explained that his net worth was negative $15,000. I said, wait a second, how does that add up given that you have this huge equity position in your property? So I thought, hey, what a fantastic time to talk about net worth, give you a bit more explanation behind it, and then dive into some of the averages so that you can tell whether or not you're on track. Speaking of net worth, it is basically the total value of all the stuff that you own, like savings, property, jewelry, investments, minus any debts that you currently have, like loans, mortgages, credit card balances, student loans, and so on. Now, if your net worth is positive, that means you're doing pretty well financially. At least it's a good start. But if it is negative, that means that you owe more than you own, which is not great. And we want to start to change that. Now, let's go ahead and dig into the details of average net worth based on age ranges. The Fed did a survey a while ago, and here's what they found. If you're under 35 years old, the average net worth is about $76,300. For those aged 35 to 44, the average jumps to around $436,200. In the 45 to 54 age range, the average net worth is $833,200. And for the 55 to 64 age group, it's $1,175,900. Now, if you're between 65 and 74, the average net worth is $1.217 million. And for people 75 and older, it's $977,600. Here's the deal. Those average numbers can be a bit misleading. When you calculate an average, any super rich or super poor person can throw off that number. And that's why the median net worth, which is the middle value, right there, smack dab in the middle, it might give you a more realistic or a better idea of what would be considered normal. So let's go ahead and take a look at those numbers. For under 35 years old, the median net worth is around $13,900. So if you're just getting started out, don't feel bad if you don't have a lot accumulated yet. Just manage your debt very carefully. Within the 35 to 44 age range, the median is $91,300. If you're 45 to 54, the median net worth is $168,600. And for the 55 to 64 age group, the median is $212,500. Now, if you're 65 to 74, the median net worth is $266,400. And if you're 75 or older, the median is only $254,800. It might not seem like it, but knowing your net worth is actually pretty important. It's like a report card for your finances. Are you doing well? Are you staying the same? Are you maybe falling behind? It can give you a good overview of where you're at compared to the rest of the country, and it can help you figure out maybe what your next money moves should be. Now, if you want to grow your net worth, I've got a few tips for you. First, focus on paying down your debts. Again, subscribe to the channel. We talk all things accelerated debt elimination here. The less you owe, the better your net worth is going to look. Start by paying off your smallest debts first, and then use that money to tackle your next smallest debt. That's called the snowball effect. That's Dave Ramsey's approach. I prefer the avalanche method, which is attacking highest interest-based debts first in order to prevent the most future interest costs possible. Next, what you're going to want to do is try to max out your retirement contributions if your job offers any, and that'll give your net worth a nice boost. Also, consider putting your money into high yield savings accounts or exploring different investment options for better returns. We talk a lot about investment options here on the channel, as well as high yield savings accounts. So again, smash that subscribe button. If you're really ambitious, you could even try creating multiple streams of income. Side gigs, investments, or even starting your own business can be a great way for you to really increase your net worth over time. But remember, this does take time and it does take effort in a lot of cases. Got to be very consistent about that last one. Finally, don't forget to cut back on unnecessary expenses. You're going to want to really take a close look at your finances, do an audit every few months, and determine where your money is going to see if there are any areas where you might be able to plug your leaks and save extra money each month. Trust me, every little bit helps when it comes to your cash flow and using that money to build your wealth over time. So there you have it, folks. Your net worth is kind of a big deal when it comes to your financial situation, as well as what you're able to do in your future. This is what will produce your financial freedom moving forward. It's making smart money moves along the way each and every year, and then watch that number go up. I believe in you guys. You do got this. Between now and the next time I see you on another video, make it a great day today and keep on cash flowing. Take care.